Hello and welcome, it's Gilly Kube. I'm here on the Sunshine Coast in Queensland, Australia on a very hot and humid day. We've had so much rain, and because it's summer and then the sun comes out, making it kind of like a sauna. But I have got air conditioning in here, but it doesn't seem to be coping real good at the moment. Rightio, I have these lovely 16-inch round, which is 40.6 centimetres, I believe. And I'm going to do a monochromatic background, and then I'm going to give it a pop of this and a pop of that. So I had previously had some black and white in this cup, and I'm going to continue to load the black and white. Now, these paints have sat around in my art room, in these containers for around 4 months. So I'm really hoping that the paints don't crack. And I'm probably crazy for even risking my lovely round, but I hate throwing things away. I really hate. So I don't want to throw the paint away. I'll probably best not add any more black to this. I'll just go on with white. And so for my monochromatic background, I'm going to do a black and white only ring pour out of this. Oh, well, there you go. So that's my paint ready to do my ring pour, and I might just, with what I've got left in this container, go around my very edge. Maybe I'll open it up because it well and truly needs updating. So I hope you guys are all feeling well. Hope you're oh there's my marbles. I've lost my marbles. Oh, and there's another one. I always keep marbles in the bottom of my containers there to make sure that when you shake it up, it helps mix the paint in there, and it does kind of help prevent any lumpy bits. So that's why that is why the marbles are in the bottom. So here we go. Let's just hope this doesn't come out too dark, and I'm going to do a ring pour. So this will form my background, and I already love it. It's kind of like this paint is like going a cloudy effect, but that's okay, because I'm going to make it pop. Oh, I think I got a chunky bit in there. It's probably very black, isn't it? Oh my goodness. Come on, some white. Come on, some white. Just ringing it round now for the tilt. So I'll go all over my canvas, I think, before I take it off the edges. So just a gentle tilt all the way around. I mean, I've seen in Noosa, by where I live in Queensland, in Noosa, I've seen these huge, large, round canvases with just black and white ring pour like this and varnished, and they looked stunning. Obviously classy enough to go in the Noosa homes. So that was, you know, surprised to think how easy would have that have been to actually make, you great big. I think you may have need somebody to help. These were really large round canvases, or maybe they were pieces of what do you call it, MDF board, I'm not sure. but they've just got a ring pour on. I've seen people standing there just staring at them. I'm thinking, they are thinking, oh, how did they get those rings like that when they painted that on? Instead of realising it's a process that's quite simple, but very stunning results we can get. So I'm not particularly liking this wormy bit, so I'm going to tilt it down, and that's where I might add my pop of colour. Because this, when this is resined, if all goes to plan, I believe will absolutely pop. Love that. It looks like cut stone. Looks like granite or something. So if I keep this bit and do my pops of colour in there, I think it'll be a winner-winner chicken dinner. So we've been having lots of storm activity, and it's been sending my power off, and I've tried to do videos, and then the power went off and just lost all my my video. It wasn't running any longer, so that was a pain. Now this is Viridian Green. I'm not sure if I should, maybe I should do my, I know it's going to be a little bit further away from you, but I think I kind of need to have it closer to me so I don't stuff it up. So I'm going to do these nice little pours, puddle pours. So I'm going to go over that area that I'm not quite loving so much. So this composition, I'm going to keep my colour in this one end. I'm really excited about getting back in my art room again, because to tell you the truth, I've just had like no desire to be out here. I'm not sure if it's the weather or things going on in life, but I think, you know, I had to motivate myself to have a look back through some art again to feel motivated to get back out here. I think I'm on the right track now. So this is my champagne gold, and I mixed 50% metallic gold, 50% silver, and I love it. Really love it. So, and I might, I think, what is she doing? This is called Sahara. This paint I just got from my local office workshop. I have used it before, and I'm not sure if I should put darker. I have used it before, as I said, so it's nice to try different things, definitely. But you kind of can go and just buy so many things that you don't get through them. Oh, now should I really stir up the pot? Now this is burnt umber, and it has a little bit of silver in it, so bear with me, folks. So burnt umber and a little bit of metallic silver. I'm really hoping this works well, but that I am absolutely loving. I can see already. It's just lovely. Rightio. And I think I might go a little dot of this Viridian Green again. I know the green's not for everybody, but I'm really hoping that it makes this particular canvas pop. So previous one I did to this, I added some of cerulean blue, and that was gorgeous. I'll just add a little bit down here all on its own. You'll see. Rightio. That is my gecko in here that other people have fondly named Jerry. So Jerry is obviously approving. I don't know, when I doubt myself, when I'm pouring, it seems that Jerry does his tut as if to say, push on, that's absolutely fine. So okay, this is the Amsterdam Black in here with Australian Floetrol. So I'm going to put this on the top of my little puddles, even that just plain little one on its own, and we will see what we get. I think this is definitely a colour combination that I have not done before, so I had this in mind. I kept looking at the colours and thinking, yes, just go for it. So sometimes that's exactly what you have to do. Even if it doesn't turn out, at least you've given it a go. Right, I'm not going to use the blower or anything. Oh, I'm going to use my straw. That's wet from when I washed it. Hope it's from when I washed it. I might blow down first this little puddle. Oh, that looks super duper all on its own. Fancy that. Oh my goodness, super duper. Oh, wow, wow, wow. Wow, wow, wow. Oh my goodness, I hope that dries cute. That will absolutely pop with resin on it. But of course, they all look fine as they are, and you can treat them with just a varnish to protect them. Oh, now I want to do more colours. I'll bring you down in a second, but I'll just give it a whiz with my heat wand. I think I want to try that now with sort of red, pink and orange on the back. Might just use my skewer. Just add in a little bit of breaking some of these areas up. You certainly don't have to do this, and I don't want to ruin anything that looks okay at the moment. Wow. Absolutely gorgeous. I'm going to bring you down. I'm quite happy with that composition, just in the one corner there. It's just something different and it's gorgeous. Wow. I am super, super happy with this. I mean, you may not like the colours. Here's my gecko tutting. You may not like the colours, but I think they really are stunning on that background. It kind of looks like a bit Hawaiian-ish, and that's why I think the next one I'd absolutely love to do the same background with some orange, hot pink, red. That is stunning. Love it. Just doing a different composition. I might just in the very center lightly touch it with my little balloon, because it just finishes off the center like a real flower. I love it. I love it, love it. What do you guys think? I will do some photos at the end with it on the wall. So tell me what you think, and if you're gonna try it, you should do. It's awesome, awesome. Okay, lovelies, please take care of yourself. If you're feeling sad, lonely, or you need to call a friend or a family member, but if not, a helpline, there is always someone there to talk to if need be. Okie doke, bye for now.
Open air, side by side we sway there in all the colors.